Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free shark card in GTA Online. So go to ogsnags.com. They have like all these promo codes and stuff, and just type in GTA. And as you can see, it says exclusive code free money. So just go ahead and press show coupon code and it will generate your shark card code. So it's basically going to say coupon is valid. So you just want to press get full code and it's going to bring you over here. So it's going to ask you what you like about shopping at Amazon. So you just want to answer like one of those. It really doesn't matter which one you go ahead and pick. So let me just do super fast shipping, and then it's going to ask you for your email address. So make sure you guys enter an email that you can regularly access because they're going to send the code to this email. So then it's going to say activating your reward. So before we can get it, guys, we do need to register. So we need to fill out all our information. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and type this in. It's pretty easy, guys. You just got to make sure you put in all your information and you guys should be all set. So let me just go ahead and do that right here as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to type this in. Now, once you're done, you're just gonna do a survey. So it's pretty easy. So let's go ahead and do the survey right here. As you can see, just gonna wait for this to load. And here we are, guys. So I'm gonna answer all the questions to the best of my ability. It does not matter. Just make sure you do the whole survey, okay? So let's go ahead and finish it right here as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Super cool, guys. So let's just go ahead and answer all the questions. All right, so just answering all these. Pretty cool. All right, let's just go ahead and finish this. It's not very hard either, so you guys should be all set. So let's go ahead and do these. Okay, so once you're done with the survey, you should get your shark card. So I'm just going to answer a couple more questions. So press I agree and continue, and this means it's like the end. So before you get it, it is going to show you a page that says like survey done, optional offers finished. So let's just wait for that to come up here as you can see. All right, so as you can see, guys, it should come up any moment now. So yeah, survey done, optional offers finished. Now the final thing is the deals. It may ask you to do a deal, which is pretty easy. It's like these games you gotta download or something, or like credit score. So like here's the Monopoly Go one. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Um, as you can see, it says like reach level 18 and then you get credit and then your deal is done. So I'm gonna see you guys later and peace out.